Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure both earbuds and the case have enough charge. Low battery can disable noise cancellation. Once charged, power the earbuds on and put them into pairing mode by holding the button for about 2-3 seconds. Next, open your phone's Bluetooth or the Boult companion app. This is where you'll enable ANC. You do this now because the device must be connected for settings to appear. Keep the earbuds near the phone while the connection completes, then move to the app or device settings. Once connected, open the Boult app or Bluetooth audio controls and locate the ANC or noise cancellation section. Toggle ANC on, then select the specific mode, full noise cancellation or a transparency mode for ambient awareness, because different environments need different responses. After enabling, fine-tune intensity using the app slider or the earbuds touch controls to get the balance you want. Higher intensity blocks more noise, but can alter audio. Make sure each earbud's controls are synced. You finish by testing. Play familiar audio in a noisy spot to confirm the ANC reduces ambient sound without muffling voices too much. If it works, save any custom profiles in the app and check for firmware updates. Updates often fix ANC bugs. If noise cancellation is absent or uneven, perform a reset. Hold the earbuds buttons for about 10 seconds, then repair to the phone. If problems persist, try different ear tips for a better seal, because a poor fit reduces ANC effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.